Hey guys, welcome back to MemeCoinNinja. If you want to be successful in meme coin trading, all you need to focus is on one single word, that is probability. So the probability of getting rugged, the probability of getting 50%, the probability of getting 2x or 3x. If the probability of getting rugged is less than the probability of getting around 50% to 2x, you are successful. But if the probability of getting rugged is more than the probability of getting 50% to 2x, then you will be in downtrend. So let's go to our sweet spot signal directly. So here are the list of signals that has been captured on 27th of July. And let's go directly search with our sweet spot signal. And then see, here are the list of sweet spots which has been captured. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on an average, around some 12 coins has been captured. So let's go one by one. Let's click on this specific one. It is P8. So here, if you see the sweet spot alert, it was captured at 1052, and the liquidity is stable at 23k market cap, and there was a strong buy pressure with 240 buyers. And let's go directly to the signal here. And if you see here, the community was taken over, and then the bundle analysis, it's at 2%. The recycle check, it was the score is a little bit high, but let's go and see how it behaves at the moment. So at 1052, there was a pullback at around like 39k market cap. That was a 73% dip, and the difference between the buyers and sellers were around some 35. So at 1050, so this is the time here, and then after that, believe it went up to 70k market cap. So here you see around some 73, which is of around like 80 to 95%. So all we are looking for is 50 to 2x and then move to the next coin. So this is a good sign. So next one. So the next one is FATCOIN. So this was captured at 10:40 p.m. and it was pulled back at 37k market cap. And the difference between buyers and sellers were roughly around 120. And let's go to the signal time, and the community has been taken over, and the bundle analysis is at 2.6%. The followers of the token creator, he has some 82 followers, which is good. Let's open to the dexscreener. All right, so here it is still running. Here if you see the buyers and sellers, it was at 1336 and the sellers were at 1208. A lot of transactions we can see at the moment. And at 1040, which is at this specific time, if you see, and then it went all the way up to 4x, which is really good. The sweet spot is really very important to get the 2x. So let's move on to the next one, which is Bine. So this was captured at 7:39 p.m. and the liquidity is stable at 23k market cap, and it was dipped at around like 47%. And the buyers with sellers ratio, the buyers were more, where it was around like 110 buyers. So let's go to the actual signal time. So the token logo looks good. Dexes has been paid, community has been taken over, bundle analysis is at 5.28%. So let's go to the dexscreener. At the moment, the market cap is at 18k. So at 7:39, let's see whether there was a uptrend happened. So what we are looking for is a minimum of 50%. Okay. So if you see at 7:39, all right. So this is the moment. Let's pull on the 1-minute transactions. There we go. So this is the time limit. At 7:39, it was dipped at around some 38 to 39, and after that went up till, I believe it is still around 50k maybe. Yeah, it went up till 54, which is of around like another 50%, I would say. Yeah, around like 40 to 50%, and then it was pulled back. Now let's go to the next one, which is FATCOIN. It's FFFFUUUU. So here he has a good social. Let's open the dexscreener. So at the time when we captured the sweet spot signal at 7:06 p.m, the liquidity is stable at 22k, and it was dipped at around like 46.5%. We can see the good buyers versus sellers ratio, and there we go. So it looks like it was a downtrend. After 7:06, it just went a little bit up, and then it was all the way down. Let's move to the next one, which is the LOOTBOX. So all I would say is need to have a stop loss at 30 to 40%. So whenever there is a dip, we just need to accept the loss and then move to the next one. So this LOOTBOX, it was captured at 4:47 p.m. and there was around like some 90 buyers were more, and it was dipped at around some 40.3%. So the logo seems promising, and the created analysis, it was of medium score, medium risk. The bundle analysis is 4.21, and the community has been taken over. So let's open the dexscreener app. So let's check at 4:49, I guess. Yeah, so 4:47. Let's see at 4:47, and after that, is there a progress? Yeah, there we go. So at 4:47, it was at around some 37 to 39, and then it went all the way up to 120k market cap, which is a clear 2x. Let's move to the next one. It is ticket. So this ticket, it was captured at 3:46 p.m. on our sweet spot signal, and if you see, the liquidity was stable at 21k market cap, but the buyers and the sellers were very, very low, and it was dipped at 32, which is of around 0.2%. Let's see how it behaves now. So the Dex has been paid, the community has been taken over. He has some good followers. So let's see on the chart. The market cap is sitting at 32k, which is okay. So at 3:46 p.m, right? So 3:46 p.m, you see here. Yeah, I think after 3:46, it went down all the way up. Yeah, so ticket was of no signal. So let's move to the next one. So let's see the next one, which is the VPN token. Here the liquidity is stable at 22k market cap, and there was a 753 buyers and 597 sellers, which is probably around some 155 more buyers, and it was dipped at around some 54.5%. And this was captured at 2:53 p.m. on 27th of July. The VPN at the moment, the market cap is 4.3. It went all the way down to 90 to 95%. But let's see after 253 whether there was an uptrend came for us to take the 50% profit, 50% to 2x. So at 253, so this is the time. Yes, and after that it went down. Yeah, and after that it went down, and then there was an uptrend, so around like 54. Yeah, which is off around another 30 to 40%. Let's go to the next one. The next is Spartacus. So if you see the Spartacus, the sweet spot alert was captured at 1:54 p.m. and the liquidity is stable at around 15k, and the difference between the buyers and sellers was at around some 20 to 25. And the community has been taken over. The bundle analysis is 3.29. So let's check the dexscreener here. So at 1:54 p.m. All right, so Spartacus is it of at 1:54, which is of this specific moment, and after that it went up to 20k, but again it was not the max that it went is what's up to 20k, so there is no much uptrend, and then after that it went to the downtrend, so it was not a good coin. Let's go to the next one, which is of Dex. So here the strong buy pressure is 1003 buyers versus 853 sellers. This seems to be promising, and it was captured at 1:08 p.m. The bundle analysis is at 4.39%. So the volume was around 353k. So at 1:08, let's see how the chart is there after 1:08. So there we go. So this is the time at 1:08, and then it went all the way up to around 45, maybe, yeah, 46, 35 to 46, which is of around some 30 to 40%. Let's go to the next one. The next is Normie. So this was captured at 6:17 a.m. It was a dip at 37k market cap with 46%. The community has been taken over, the dexes has been paid, and the social Twitter analysis, he has some good, around some 490 followers, which is good. There we go. So this was captured at 6:17 a.m. which is at this time, this moment, and after that at this time around some 37k, and after that it went up till probably around some 75k market cap, which is of 80 to 90%. All right, so on an average, let's see, of all these tokens that was captured on 27th of July. So these are all the list of calculations. What would be my percentage of profits if I am planning to take some 50 to 100%, which is of 2x as a profit out of all these coins. So this is my percentage of gain if I would have traded these coins at those specific moment. So that's it for today, guys. Have a great day.